Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi Mi A2 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can turn off auto rotation on this device. Start by accessing tab menu. Now find auto rotate icon and click on it. As you can see, auto rotation is now off. You can also go into settings, choose display, click on advanced and tap on the switcher next to auto rotate screen. If the switcher is gray, that means that auto rotation is disabled, but you can always just check it out by going into any app and simply turning your device. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!